This study was a very large cluster randomized design study in Mumbai, India, in the slums of Mumbai, India, with 150,000 women. And the women were randomized based on their clusters to receive either education plus visual inspection of the cervix with acetic acid, 4 rounds, 2 years apart, versus a control arm which got education and then just the active surveillance. So after the 4 rounds of screening, both arms are to receive 8 rounds of surveillance follow-up at 2-year intervals. Where it's extremely important is that this study developed community rapport. They used trained lay health workers in the community to do the exams, and then they had trained medical social workers who went out to do the follow-up and the consenting, etc. They found a reduction of death from cervical cancer in the intervention arm. So this proves that this program is effective in a low-resource country like India. And a very important part of the study also was that they assured follow-up and treatment for anybody who had an abnormality or was diagnosed in their system. Extremely important piece of the information.